Hi guys, welcome back to the videos. Right now I'm going to be demonstrating what we learned on the July 11th practice, which is going to be the beginning part of section 4. Okay, so you were just here and just came down to count 9 of the feature. So you're down on 9, you're going to hold 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's the end of the feature, your head is down, okay? Then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And make sure your head goes up, okay? All you're doing is crisscrossing, down 4, down 8, okay? Easy enough. Okay, the next part, you're going to dip the flag. Okay, your hand is still under. You're going to dip 9, come out like this, up 10, 11, 12, 13. I'll demonstrate it this way, okay? So if you're to the back, or I'm facing you, you're the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now turning to the front. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Flat. So all I'm doing is just dipping, going up, twisting my arm till it can't go anymore and my elbow's out. This is 12, grab on 13. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, you grab over. 14, you also grab over at the tab. You just switch your arm, okay? Then 15, you bring your hand here. 15, 16. Okay? You're here. I'm going to go 15, so elbows away from you, thumb is down on the pole, pointing this way. 16, so both hands are over and still flat behind your back, okay? All together. If I'm facing you, the back, I'm going to go to the left and the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, hands are over. 15, thumb pointing down, and the flag is in front of you, and then 16. Thumbs pointing toward each other, okay? That's the first set of 16 after the feature, okay? From here, we're going to do a 12. You're going to slide your right hand along the pole and then grab the silk. 1, 2. Again. You're here, over, over. As your hand slides, you bring it in front of you, you go down on the silk. 1, 2. You do like a cone. You want the flag at an angle, as high as you can lift it, and as far across your body as you can lift it, okay? So you're here on 2. On 3, you're going to turn over your left shoulder and let go of the silk. 3. The silk is resting on your left shoulder. My hand is over here, and let go. I'm going to tuck it behind my back. I'm going to keep going left. 4 to the back, 5 to the side, 6 to the front, and on 6 you re-grab with your left hand over and let go with the right hand, okay? So again, 16, 1, 2, turn and release on 3, not on 2, on 3. 3, release and turn, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Fast, this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That turns a little fast, okay? I'll show you from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gotta grab it on 6. It's a little fast, okay? So you're here on 6, right? You just grabbed it. You're gonna do like a one-handed cone. So the left hand is over. You're here on 6. You're gonna go 7, 8, and 9. Right hand is under, okay? 7, 8, 9. 10, you're gonna pop up, thumb pointing up. Again, all you're doing is just up. Barely even letting go of it, because it's just going here to here. Okay? 10. You're gonna do a backwards fan like we normally do. 11, 12. That's the second set. That's 12 counts. Everything else from here on out is going to be 16, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now this move is part of the next move, okay? The end of this set is part of the next set. So you're here, starting on 9, we go 10, 11, 12, you turn. Go to the back 1, the flag is straight up and down. You hold it, you grab it on 2, as you continue to turn over your right shoulder. You dip it behind you 3, you pop it on 4. Okay? So it's fast. So it's 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, dip 3, you're going to turn that way. You're facing, this is the audience over here. You're facing to the left. Your whole body's this way. This is when you do the pop, okay? So you kind of angle it down here over your shoulder on 3 and pop 4, 5, 6, you're to the front. And the pole is up, thumb is up, okay? I'll do it the other way. So this is what it looks like to the front. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, dip 3, 4, 5, 6. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Rachel, you're back in by this point, okay? Just so when I make your video, once you come in on that pop on 6, everything from here on out until I tell you to is the same, okay? So we're here on 6. We're going to dip it down. 7, 8, up 9. So it popped up this way. You're going to continue going down. 7, curve 8, up 9. It's not directly in front of you. It's a little angled to the side. So this hand didn't move, but this hand comes around on 9 to re-grab. I'll show you what it looks like from the front. So you have your left hand, and you go under the silk and around. So my elbow is pointing away from my face. The thumbs are pointing the same direction, but my hand is like backwards, okay? Because you want to push the flag to the left, so you have to make sure your palm is to the left. Again, you're here on 6, 7, 8, up 9. So this left hand came out like this and around to get the pole. Okay, so here it was here, around. Just so you get the idea, okay? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up high. It's really high because you got to spin it over your head. Now the finger twirl is 10 to 16. Now, what I taught in the lesson today was to do VC wrist. What I mean is you're going to twirl it between these 2 fingers, which make a V, then these 2 fingers, which make a C, and then on your wrist, okay? So it goes middle and index, and then index and thumb and wrist. Okay, you're twirling it over your hand, basically. So you're here. Oops. Right here. You're going to twirl it. I'll do it to the front. See if you can see my hands. I'll come lower. It's going to twirl between these 2 fingers. Above my head. It's between the V. Then it's going to keep going. When it gets over here, when the silk is to the right of me, and my wrist can't go anymore, you're going to switch it to the C fingers. These 2 fingers. Index and thumb. Again, twist it, till it gets to the thumb and your wrist. It's almost like you're cradling it, except it's out. And then you're going to keep pushing it till it's on your wrist, resting on your wrist, and then grab it. I'll do it from this way, okay? You hear? You're going to push it on 10. So push to the left with the left hand and twirl with the right hand. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You want it in front of you, flat by 14. 15, you keep continuing the motion. You keep your body, don't move your feet. Don't go backwards. Just keep your feet planted. Keep them forward. 15, and see how it's on my wrist? All I'm doing is 16. Grabbing with the right hand under, left hand over. Flat. It's kind of like right on my hip, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I didn't mention this in the lesson today, but this free hand, I want you to do this. Here are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Basically, as you're twirling, I want you to kind of bring it down, but keep your fingers pointed like up, like this, and then it comes under. It comes to grab the flag. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? The left hand is over. So, make sure you end here. Go away. So, If the silk ends any other way, you did it wrong. You got to make sure you get that finger twirl. Like I said, one more time. By 14, you should be here. It's on your wrist. 14, the pole is to the left. 15, 16, pole is to the right. Okay? This is the third part. So we did 16, 12, 16. This is the last 16 of what we learned today, which is the first half of section 4. Okay? So we're here. We're going to go to the right. So it's kind of tucked behind us. I'm going to move a little forward. 1, dip 2, up 3, down 4. It seems simple enough, but it's very fast, okay? You have a long way to go in 4 short counts. So it's up, 2, 3, down, 4. All the way down. From the front, this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy enough. And it's tucked. Make sure you tuck it. 1, 2, when you come down for 3, bring it in the inner part of your arm on 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. The pole comes underneath your arm and you go down for 4, so it's tucked. Okay? 1, dip 2, up 3, down 4. It's fast. Okay? Now you're going to go to the left. Bring it to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch both hands to over, over. I'll do it from here. You're here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Big circular motion, okay? And take all 4 counts to do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you're bringing it up, flip the right hand to over, okay? So now you're at a shoulder hip. This is count 8. Now we're going to do a 4 count cone. Same as a normal cone, except elongate it. So it's going to be 9, 10, 11, 12. Take the full counts. 9, 10, 11, 12. And we're going to finish with a top cone. We're going to turn over our left shoulder. So and when you're doing this, move your feet. Mark time as you do this too, okay? It'll help. 13, 14, 15, 16. Top cone. So we're doing it kind of backwards, okay? Here on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And don't stop your cone. Just like the cone exercise, we're not stopping. We're going to keep going, okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And at a strong upwards angle, both hands over. Okay? So we learned 16, 12, 16, 16 after the feature. That is all we learned for today. So this is the first part of section 4. And I will upload the rest of the videos on Thursday after we learn the second half of section 4. Keep practicing!